Just incredible, absolutely incredible. The Olympic record.
I was able to go to 2012 London Olympics and experience that magical and whimsical feeling of running in front of thousands of people and really inspiring the young people on multiple levels. So that was really a great experience. I'll never forget it. I think it actually, it decorates and it kind of molds and it represents who I am today. My name is Raasin McIntosh.
Pakistan, Khalid of Malaysia, Yassi of Poland, Anchuk of Russia, Odumosu of Nigeria, and McIntosh of Liberia.
I am a ESL specialist at Cedar Ridge High School in the Round Rock ISD district. And I am also founder and director of Raasin In The Sun, which is a nonprofit that is focused on restoration and beautification in primarily the East Austin neighborhoods. We just recently did a project over at Ortega Elementary, and we really were excited to do phase 2 of this particular elementary. The kids came out, we got people from the community to come out, and we built a 7-foot standing herb garden. We had kids planting. We had multiple other organizations come, which we were really happy about. And hey, we're really in this thing together, okay? And so that was the feeling of that community garden. Grateful for the invite to come out and just to kind of share my thoughts of Raasin In The Sun in terms of sustainability. Talk about the importance of taking care of Mother Earth. I just like to do stuff like that because education is also a huge component of what Raasin In The Sun is about. In addition, we ended up promoting the city about a year ago in hopes to get a high school artist to submit a work of art and to ultimately be chosen by a panel of judges to be the winning muralist. They ended up choosing a girl by the name of Jewel Salazar, and we're super proud of her. She's been on the journey with us ever since, and she has created and manifested a beautiful mural on 12th and Chacon Street, and we're calling this mural the Unity Mural ATX. Hustle in the simplest form means consistency. It means putting something out there, thinking it first, putting it out there with your thoughts, projecting your dream, and then you're saying it. And this is over and over, persistent, over and consistent, over and over. You're saying it, and then you're following it with an action. And you're doing that over and over and over again until you manifest and create exactly what you envisioned. The biggest lessons that I've learned in my journey would have to be learning how to deal with people and learning how to filter energy that is conducive to your energy and that's going to help build it, or energy that really is in opposition of what you're doing, and energy that could contaminate or harm or bring your energy down. Learning how to sift through those things and to focus on the light that you have, maintain and stay with a particular project or a particular mission or a particular journey, and to focus through that to get to the end. But you have to focus because it's not about me, it's not about you, it's about the mission and what you're bringing to the platform, what you're bringing to the community. Your service is what is impactful. The service is the glue. The service is the heart. That's what the why is what matters. If you would like to be something, you have to take it upon yourself to do it. You can't wait. Be the change you wish to see.